Hi, I'm Tom with Dependable Oxygen Company, and today I want to talk to you about installing a humidifier bottle onto a oxygen concentrator. So pretty much all concentrators, you'll have a place where the filter is, and you'll just need to find that. That's where the adapters are hidden. So we'll just pop this off, cover, and on the back side here you'll find a little adapter. That'll snap back on. Then what you'll want to do is you're going to get the humidifier and you're going to fill it up with distilled water. I'm using bottled water, but you'll want to use distilled water only. And there's a minimum and a maximum line. Just fill it up to that maximum line. Don't go over the maximum line. Then when you tighten this on, make sure you don't get it cross-threaded like I did there. So what you want to do is go backwards until you hear it click once and then move it forward. Then it's not cross-threaded. It's very important. Then you'll put this, there's a Velcro thing on the back here. This will just Velcro in and help hold on to there. Now, you'll need to get to your adapter at this point. This adapter is going to screw onto the top there. Then this will adapt to here, where the oxygen outlet port is. So if you normally you'd have your tubing hooking onto here, so you're just going to adapt it to come into here and then out here. This time I'm going to go ahead and start the machine. And what you can see is you get bubbles from there and you get the humidity picking up and going through the tube. So at this point you'd hook your tubing onto here, your 25 or 50 foot, or your cannula will hook onto there. That'll come to you. So if you follow the instructions on here, this has it's 2 liters to 12 liters with a pressure relief at 6 psi. So what you want to do is, there's a little teeny hole on the top of this particular one, but you'll plug this off, watch the pressure on your thing, and then I don't know if you can hear that, but you can hear a high-pitched squeal. That means we got pressure. What I like to do generally is turn it up higher while I'm testing. Plug it off, watch the pressure gauge drop, and then you should hear the whistle or some back pressure. So this one I'm not getting complete, so I'm going to make sure this is tight. I'm going to make sure this is a little more tight. Then I'm going to test again. Now I can hear some back pressure. I can hear it whistling out of the top. So we know we got a good seal there because we're dropping pressure into here. Okay. So that's basically how to set up the humidifier. As far as maintenance and cleaning, get with us and we will go over maintenance and cleaning, give you an instruction sheet. But you'll want to sterilize this once a week. Soak it in distilled white vinegar for a half hour, or the top shelf of your dishwasher will work as well. And then when you're assembling it, make sure you check all the pressures again, so you don't have any leaks in the system. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and call us if you have any questions. Thank you.